Okay, this is where you should land once you get done with entering your credit card and paying for your membership, your annual $15 a year membership. And that all said, you're done there. And notice there's a difference now. You're logged into the site. You have your username here. You can log out, etc. And then over here you have a new button, and the option under new for you is business contact, and that's what you want to do. You want to create a new business contact, so click on the business contact, and then once it loads, type in a name at the top. And then we'll go with filling out the fields. And okay, and let's see. Okay, and fill in the phone number. This is going to be fax. Then website is going to be for me, obviously, and mailing address. I'm going to put the box number on the second line for additional address info, because generally a box number, a suite number should go there. And then I'm in Temecula, California. And that's in the US. Zip is 92591. And if you have the zip +4, that's all right. Go ahead and put it in. But once you've got all the information filled in here, now you can click on Publish. And I'd leave all this alone here. Don't even worry about it. Don't worry about anything below the zip +4. It's not necessary to mess with that. And we're going to click on the big blue Publish button over at the right hand side of the page. It wants me to put in an email address. Okay, let's put in the same one that I used for creating this account, and then I'll go ahead and click Publish again. And notice the gray circle spinning there. That means it's loading the website, the contact information into the site. Okay, so now the button is blue and it says update, and then there's a QR code here. We're not going to use this QR code. This version is a .svg file, and a lot of graphics programs won't recognize it. So we're going to go up towards the top of the website where it says View Business Contact. You click on View Business Contact. And let that fill in a little bit, and now we have a QR code here. And so you can right click on the QR code, and you can't see the right click menu in this screen, but there's going to be now I'm using Google Chrome, so this is what it'll be in Google Chrome. It's going to have a right click option that says Save Image As. You're going to click on that, and then doing the save image as opens up a dialog box to save to a folder on your computer. You can tell it where to save it on your computer. Make sure it's some folder on your computer where you're going to be able to find it again easily, and then give it a name. It's going to be a .png file or portable network graphics file, which is fine. That's usable by most image editing software around. In this case, I'm calling it dan-test-qr.png. I'm going to go ahead and save that, and now I've saved the QR code, and you can see at the bottom that it's available there. I can right click on this here and tell it to show the QR code in its folder, and once I do that, it's going to bring the folder up. I'm not sure if you can see this or not, but you'll see that the QR code you created is already highlighted or selected. And at that point, you can use that QR code as an email attachment to email it to your business card printer, to your brochure printer, email it to whoever's printing your for sale signs. If you're doing house for sale stuff, print it out on a document on your own printer. Add it into an email signature. Remember what I talked about, it needs to be about half the size of a playing card to work correctly on a computer screen. There's a lot of things you can do, but okay, so now you've created your business contact information, and you've downloaded your QR code, you're using it along, and you come in, and 6 months from now, you've got a new job and you need to do a new QR code for that job, and you still have half of your subscription, so you can do that. So I'm going to go ahead and log out. I don't think it took the, yeah, there we go. All right, logged out. So then you come back to the website, and you're gonna, you just go to bizqr.biz and come back and make sure you kept your login information, that you kept your username and password for the site somewhere, and then you're going to click on hover over login or go to account. I would click right on the word login. And then it's already, since it's Google Chrome, it remembers my username and password. I can click on remember me, log in, okay, and now I'm in here, and it logged me in as the administrator. Hang on, I've got to log out and redo this as the test profile that I made. All right, so again, this time I'll click on account and see if that works the way I'm expecting it to. Other unauthorized to access this page, and then it's giving me a login prompt. So which is what I need. I need the login prompt anyway. So dan-s-test, and then we'll put in the password that I created. And I'll check remember me and log in. And I am now logged in as myself.